Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ugona and today I will be installing a headband wig from World New Hair. It came in this little satin bag. So inside the bag was the wig, a headband. It also came with this satin fabric. I know people use this to lay down their lace when they have like a frontal on, but this isn't a frontal, but I think it's very nice that they did insert one of these because I really needed this. They also included a pair of lashes, and this is the 150 density body wave natural in 28 inches. So this is what it looks like. This is how long it is, 28 inch. This is where it reaches. If you would like to see how I installed this wig as well as styled it, keep watching and let's get into it. First off, I'm going to be slicking my hair back in a slick low ponytail. So this is the scrunchie I'm going to be using. I think I bought this from Walmart. And I'll also be using this edge control. I got this from my local beauty supply, as well as this bristle brush and edge control brush. So yeah, let's get started. And also, in case you're wondering, I have a mirror right here, so I will be looking over here to help me style my hair, just because I can't really use the camera to style my hair. I have to use a mirror, so I'm going to be looking over here. Also, please excuse my hair. I know it's looking a little crazy, but it was straight. We're in November right now and it rains a lot in New Jersey. That's where I'm from, so you know, my hair is just acting accordingly based off of the weather. Okay, so now that we have our hair all slicked back, I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig cap, just to protect my hair. Now that I have the wig secured on my head, I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair. I'm going to be using this Tresemme heat protectant that I purchased from Walmart. Also my curling wand. Yeah, this is what the hair looks like. Okay, so I also use this to lay the top of my headband wig. That way it stays flat and it's not like a big bump on the top. I don't know, it just gives it a more natural your hair type of look. So I'm going to go ahead and comb out the curls. I'll also put in this headband that World New Hair sent me along with this wig. Oh, that is so pretty. That is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like this hair. Make sure to check the description box for more details about the hair. I think this is a very beautiful everyday style for someone who really doesn't like spending too long in doing their hair. So if you'd like a quick go-to hairstyle, go-to wig, go ahead and grab you some. This is definitely an everyday hairstyle. It's very beautiful. You can dress it up or down. It also has great quality, so I would definitely recommend this hair. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give me a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave it down in the comment section. I try to respond to questions as soon as possible, so definitely leave your questions. Thank you guys for watching my video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.